The Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is a bike designed for fans of speed and high performance. Known as one of the best naked sport bikes in the world, the Tuono V4 Factory combines advanced technology with an aggressive design, making it the ultimate choice for those seeking extreme riding sensations. Powered by a 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that produces incredible power, the bike is capable of producing a fierce sound and responsive performance characteristics. This engine is the result of Aprilia's experience in racing, bringing technology from the racetrack straight to the streets. If you like a mix of modern technology and classic touches, imagine an Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory presented in the iconic livery of the 2000 RSV 1000 Mille-R. The bike combines the performance and advanced features of the Tuono V4 Factory with a livery that exudes the nostalgia of Aprilia's golden age of racing. With the 2000 RSV 1000 Mille-R model as inspiration, the Tuono V4 Factory features a distinctive paint scheme that combines red, black and silver, adorned with racing graphics that pay tribute to Aprilia's long history in motorcycle racing. These colors not only enrich the aesthetics of the bike, but also remind us of the times when Aprilia first achieved great success on the racing circuit. This classic livery gives the Tuono V4 Factory added character, making it not only an ultra-modern and sophisticated naked sports bike, but also a strong style statement. These touches connect the rider to Aprilia's rich racing heritage, while enjoying all the technological advantages offered by the new Tuono V4 Factory. With this combination, the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is not only a symbol of speed and innovation, but also brings historical heritage into the present, providing an unparalleled riding experience in all aspects. It is a bike for those who appreciate the evolution of design and performance, and enjoy the beauty of both world's modernity and classic elegance.